Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nurse Patience. In today's video, we'll be talking about why is it important to know your genotype and your blood group. Statistics or research have shown that according to Red Cross Society, that in every 2 seconds worldwide, there is someone who is in dire need of blood donation. Apart from this, compatibility, that's genotype and blood groups are very important as one important screening that should be done before marriage for premarital investigation that should be done. And also, knowledge of blood group and your genotype can also save you the stress of transfusion reaction in a case whereby cross-matching was not done before transfusion was commenced, as most times the blood group of an individual might have a particular antigen another individual does not have, and it will attract everyone to this YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning viewer yet to subscribe, also do same. If you're a returning viewer stroke subscriber, I am saying thank you. So back to the topic of discussion. First, I'll be taking the bull by the horn by going with genotype. What is genotype? Genotype is the genetic constitution of an individual. It is the sum total of the genes that have been transmitted or inherited by the offspring from their parents. That's what the baby gets from both parents. So it is not just one individual from the parent side that brings this gene for the baby, but it is a shared effort from both the dad and the mom. So it is the sum total of the genes inherited by offspring from both parents. So what are the types of genotype we have? We have the AA. I would go with the normal ones, which are the two common ones we have. Although SS is also common, we have AA and AS, which are very common and normal. We have SS and AC. AC is an uncommon one, but SS and AC are abnormal and they are for sickle cell individuals. So I'd also like to talk about which categories can this different genotype get married to. So for individuals that have AA, they can get married to any of the three other genotype like AS, SS, or AC. They can get married to any of these individuals. Why for individuals that are AS, they can get married to AA, and they can also get married to AS. Also, they need to be told, AS and AS, if they are getting married, if it can be avoided, why not? But if they feel they can put up with the stress of nursing a baby that will be SS, then they can feel free to go ahead with the marriage. Then AS and SS should not get married, as this is lethal. Also, SS and SS cannot get married and should be completely avoided. SS and AS and AC should not get married and should be avoided. SS and AS can get married, as such babies would be AS, and AS. So the chances is good. But for SS and SS, it should be completely avoided. They should be cancelled not to go into such marriage, as the end of it would be detrimental for both the psychological and mental health of both parties. So up next, we are going to talk about blood group. Blood group, it can be defined, or it's the classification of blood types according to the presence or the absence of antigen in the surface of the blood. So what are those antigens? I'm going to give you the antigen. We have antigen A and antigen B. These are the two antigens that are present in the blood, and for each of the blood group, it can be denoted by either presence of one or both of it, or absence of both of these antigens. So the types of blood group, we have blood group A, we have blood group A, we have blood group B, we have blood group AB, we have blood group O. So for each of these blood group, they are subdivided into two, which is either the positive or the negative. We have A positive or A negative. We have B positive or B negative. We have type AB positive or blood group type AB negative. We have O positive and O negative. I'm talking about the antigens that are present in this blood group that have been mentioned. For blood group A, it has the antigen A in it. That's the marker A. That's what it is called scientifically. Why for blood group B, it has marker B. Then for blood group AB, it has both the antigen A and B present in it. Why for blood group O, it does not have A, neither does it has B antigen in it. So bringing us to for blood group A positive, for blood group AB positive, it is known as the universal recipient. Why? Because it can accept blood from all other blood group. Why for blood group O positive, it is the commonest and it is known as universal donor. So for individuals that have blood group O positive, they can give blood to anybody. So in the time of emergency, in most facilities where there are blood banks, for most of the pints of blood I've seen around, they are mostly having this O positive labeled on them as the blood group of the donor. So it is a very common blood group and they give out, they are cheerful givers. They give to everybody. But for them, they can only collect from O positive. So the take home for this video now is, after watching this video, please, I want you to, if you don't know your blood group or your genotype or you are unsure of either of them, please go run a test because it is very important. Also, the reason why I'm also telling you or urging you to do so is, before popping that big question to your significant other, or before answering yes to the guy that you want to spend the rest of your life with, status related to blood group and genotype, as this will save your marriage and would serve your situation so that you don't have to go through the stress of continuous hospitalization nursing a baby with sickle cell. You can actually save yourself that by going to get tested today. And if you already know your status or you know your genotype and your blood group, you can kindly do that. You can drop it on the comment section if you are proud enough that you know your blood group. Because I know mine. I am AA and my genotype is AA and my blood group is O positive. So for you, if you know yours, you can also do same. Have yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly do that and also like and drop comments on this video.